Hi everyone, we have Mr. Neil with us from ViewSonic. He will show us and talk a little bit about world's first folding LED. Hi Neil.
Hi.
Welcome and thank you so much for approving this interview. So can you tell us about the folding LED?
Yeah, thank you so much for dropping by. I mean, it's always a pleasure to have somebody who understands technology. And today, we would like to showcase something very unique for the first time in the world, first time in the UAE. If Samsung, like I say always, if Samsung could fold your phones, ViewSonic can fold your LED screens. So you're looking at an LED screen today that can fold. It's portable. It can go into any lift in the world. Okay, it's an all-in-one. You can have digital signage. You can have mirroring. You can have meeting room solutions. You can have Netflix for use at home. So the possibilities are endless. And the good thing here is that all it needs is a flight case. There is no installation. It's zero installation. And it's 4K, it's Ultra HD, it's 135 inch, the total size. And it comes with Cob LED technology, which is waterproof, dustproof, and it's something unique. It's a standout. So I believe that guys like you from Nookie Ninja can really add value and take this to the market. And I look forward to it.